Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 4, or taking this x to right side, we will get 2 to the power x is equal to this 4 minus this x, or now divided both side by 2 to the power x, we can write 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power x is equal to right side 4 minus x divided by 2 to the power x, or this 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x will cancel, so it will be 1 is equal to right side will be this 4 minus x times this 2 to the power x, it will be 2 to the power negative x, or to make 4 minus x to the power, we have to multiply both side by 2 to the power 4. So multiplying both side by 2 to the power 4, we can write 1 times 2 to the power 4 is equal to this 4 minus x times this 2 to the power 4 times this 2 to the power negative x. This 2 to the power 4 is multiplied to both sides, or 1 times 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 4 is equal to this 4 minus x times 2 to the power 4 times 2 to the power negative x. We can write this as 2 to the power this 4 minus this x, or 2 to the power 4 is 16 is equal to this 4 minus x times 2 to the power 4 minus x, we can write it as e to the power ln of this 2 to the power 4 minus x. This is because of e to the power ln of x is equal to x, or this 16 is equal to this 4 minus x times e to the power ln of a to the power b, we can write it as b ln of a. So we will have 4 minus x times ln of 2. Now to make this power and this parts same, so we have to multiply both side by ln of 2. So multiplying both side by ln of 2, we can write 16 times ln of 2 is equal to, right side will be 4 minus x times ln of 2 times e to the power 4 minus x times ln of 2. This ln of 2 and this ln of 2 has been multiplied to both sides, or now taking Lambert W function to both sides, we can write W of this 16 ln of 2 is equal to W of this 4 minus x times ln of 2 times this e to the power 4 minus x times ln of 2, or this left side w of 16 ln of 2 is equal to, now applying this formula, w of a e to the power a is equal to a. Here 4 minus x ln of 2 consider as a. So we can write this as 4 minus x times ln of 2, or divided both side by ln of 2, we can write w of 16 ln of 2 divided by ln of 2 is equal to, right side is 4 minus x times ln of 2 divided by ln of 2, or left side w of 16 ln of 2 total divided by this ln of 2 is equal to, this ln of 2 will cancel from right side and it will remain 4 minus x. Now taking this x to left side and taking this left side to right, we will have the value of x is equal to this 4 minus this left side, so it will be w of 16 ln of 2 divided by this ln of 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.